Wetlands are actually, you'd be surprised, hard to define because they are where the water and the land meet. They're different than the systems that are truly upland, and they're different than the systems that are deep water like the water behind us. So the shallow water environment where the water is perhaps a few inches below the surface and you don't even see standing water in them. There's many wetlands you can walk across and not get your feet wet. And of course the biodiversity is incredible, but now the big deal with wetlands is the fact that they are one of the best carbon sinks on the planet. They grab carbon out of the atmosphere, throw it down in the muck, and it stays there. The idea of a wetland as a carbon sink is beautiful. Now you drain the wetland and the opposite happens. They become a carbon source. They become like a smokestack. And so that's why we have to protect them. The general public has to understand the importance of the hydrology. That's where it starts. That's the big, what we call forcing function of the system. Well, with mangroves, they depend on two important sources, the fresh water coming in from the uplands, and then they need a tidal connection with the salt water. So when we start draining our landscape and pushing the water down much more than there is, then we're upsetting that natural balance of the hydrology. So that's part of the real challenge we have for restoring our coastal landscape, is to get the water right.
Visit the Charlotte Harbor National Estuary Program website